Now let's walk through the overview section of your product profile, where buyers get their first complete understanding of your product. We'll go step by step. First, product video. This is one of the most engaging elements on your profile and appears at the top. It allows you to visually showcase your product and communicate value quickly. Please note, adding a product video is a premium feature and becomes available once you upgrade your profile. Next, product screenshots. Screenshots help buyers explore your interface, features, and user experience in more detail. This is another powerful way to build trust and clarity. This feature is also part of the premium plan and can be accessed after upgrading. Moving on to product specifications. This is a free feature available to all users. Here, you can highlight your product's capabilities by selecting relevant features and functionalities. It helps buyers quickly understand what your product offers and how it fits their requirements. Finally, product description. This is where you provide a detailed overview of your product, including its use cases, benefits, and key differentiators. A well-structured description helps buyers make informed decisions and improves your profile's overall effectiveness. Together, these elements create a complete and compelling product profile that drives engagement and conversions. In the next video, we'll show you how to manage your product features and make your listing even more impactful.